Hi students, good morning. I am your English teacher. Okay, today Tuesday class. Okay, students. Okay, first of all, you are all sent your attendance status because it's very must, students. So first of all, you are sent in your attendance. Okay, okay, students. Now we are see sixth standard English. Okay, today we are see sixth standard English. Clear? Okay, students. Yes, yes, students. Last day we all saw the poem. Topic name is the crocodile. Okay, the crocodile already we all saw the crocodile. Yes, and glossary and about the authors. Do you know? It's all. These are all the happenings. Last day we all saw it. Okay, so this now we all see the book bag exercises. Okay, now we all see the book bag exercise. Okay, now see option A also here. Okay, okay, students. After we are go to the topic, first of all I asked to the one question. Okay, all of you eat or not? Cannot eat mean first of all go to eat. Again I tell you, okay, because your food is very important, because you cannot eat and you all now come and watch this video or attend the class mean definitely you cannot attend it. Okay, I mean you clearly cannot see it. Okay, and so what you do? Yes, first of all you are go to eat in your food. Okay, or food different anyone you are not a problem, and you drink the water because water is very important, so per day minimum 25 glasses you drink the waters. Okay, 25 glass you drink in your waters because water also very important. Okay, okay, and you're steady and go to play the game and enjoy in yourself. Okay, and simply don't sit in your home, just go to outside and play the game and meet your new friends. Okay, that time your moment is very jolly. You simply sit in your home, the online classes are going on here. No, simply regularly watch online class means simply waste. First of all you go to play the game, after come and see the uh, online video classes. Okay, right, clear? Okay, students, first of all we all see option A, read the poem aloud in pass. Okay, loud in pass means just you read in your home site, just to read the poem, just discuss about the poem. Okay, so they are mentions option A, read the poem aloud in the past, and you are going to make a group, you and your friends also making to the group. After you come and uh, see the online classes. Okay, first of all you are making to the group or make or not. Okay, first of all you are make to the your group and just read in your poem and the crocodile poem, already we all saw the crocodile, so just you what uh, sing the song, you are making to the sing the song. Okay, first of all now I singing the song. Okay, just you also join with my singing. Okay, option A, read the poem aloud in pairs. Okay, pair mean it's not in your friends. Okay, they are mentioned in your friends. See here, option A, the crocodile read this poem, already they are mentioned. Okay, the crocodile answer. Okay. How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale. How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws, how neatly spreads his claws, and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Okay, okay, it is answer of the first option A. Okay, once again, I cannot sing it, just read. How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale? How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws, and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Written by Lars Carl. Okay, it is answer of first one. I mean option A. Okay, students. Okay. See here. First of all, now we have see option B. Yes, already I completed. Read the poem aloud in pass. Okay. Okay, now we have see option B. Choose the rhyming words from the box and write them in the correct blanks. One second. Option B also here. Choose here. Sorry, here. Choose the rhyming words from the box and write them in the correct blanks. Okay. Okay. See here. How many words also here? Yes. File, din, thin or din. Okay. D also here. So din. Okay. T means thin. D also get din. Okay. Cos, not a cos, it's cos. Okay, the cos also, types of cos also there, it is not cos. Okay, nay, while pass, pass also there, PASS one type, PAWS, it's one of the pass. Mail, thin. Okay, okay, means which is the answer of here? Yes, the first one also here. Okay, here's the question. So you tell about the answer of here. Yes, now we tell you the answer of what? Okay, option B. Now what we see? Yes, option B also. Now we have seen. No. Yes, just wait. Now right here, just you watch it. Okay. Okay. First of all, now we have see what? Yes, now we have see option B. Okay, the first one also here. What? Class, chas. Already we have see the class or no? You know. So they are meant rhyming words. Which is the rhyming words of that part? Yes. And now I mentions class, chas. See here, class. Just count on it. Just see. First one is what? Yes, first one is cos. Where is the cos? See here, cos also here. So now write here. Okay, cos. See. Okay, CAWS. Okay, cos also here. Okay. See here, pass. Okay. Pass also here. So now write here pass. Cos, pass. Class, chas, cos, CAWS. Okay. Cos, pass. Okay. Okay. Next, second one also here. How to make a answer? Yes. Just to see here. Grin. Grin also here. In also here. Okay. Two dashes also balance also here. Which is the answer? Grin, in. Ask the question. Which is the answer? The answer is tin. Okay, tin. din, okay, din, d also here, din, adi thin, okay, din, okay, d also here, din, thin also here, you also know, yes, see here, thin, thin also here, okay, green, in, din, thin, thin also here, so now write here thin, okay, just watch. Okay, now write here thin, okay, thin also here, so now write this thin also, just I match here, okay. Third one, crocodile nail, okay, crocodile nail dash and dash also here, crocodile nail dash and dash also here, which is the answer, just see. Yes, file, file also here, so now write here file, okay. So now write file also here, so okay, okay. Next we all see here while, while also here, so file, while, okay, while also here, so now write while, okay. The fourth one also here, tile scale, which is comma also here, so now I read tile scale, already we all saw the scale, you know, yes, scale also already we saw that, okay. Fourth one, this the answer mean, see here, mail, tile scale mail, okay, now write here mail. Okay, mail also here, so now I write mail. Next you see what, yes, nail, nail also here, you know, so now I write nail. Okay, nail also here, so now I write here nail also, clear, okay. Next, yes, the B option also, choose the rhyming words from the box and write them in the correct blanks also. Are you completed? Okay, are you completed? Yeah, I am also completed here, just you also completed in your book, okay, right. Next, the C also here, what is it? Read those lines and answer the questions given below. They are mentioned, read those lines and answer the questions given below. First one is, see here, what is the first one, the answer of here? Yes, see here, just read, how cheerful he seems to grin, not a grin, already I tell you, know, that is G-R-E-N, it's one of the G-R-I-N, grin, okay, okay, how cheerful he seems to grin, who does he refer to, which is the answer of here? Yes, I will write here answer. Yes, see here, little crocodile, yes, it is one of the answer, so just right, just you watch it, okay. uh, yes, so right here, okay, crocodile, okay, it is crocodile, okay, he refers to the crocodile, it is answer of it, okay, okay. Next, you have see the second one, he refers to the crocodile, it's one of the crocodile, okay. You cannot clear this word mean, just open front page, this is the answer, crocodile, okay, crocodile, okay students. Next, we all see the second one. What? And poor, not a poor. The poor is double type. Already I tell you, no. Poor, poor, poor. It is bore. Okay, a bore, the water of the Nile. What does the Nile refers to? Where is it? Okay, okay. The answer is now we take the Nile. Okay, Nile. Longest. It is longest. Okay, longest. Egypt. Okay, okay, students. The answer is there mentions uh, and pour the water of the Nile. What does the Nile refers to? Where is it? Okay, Nile is the longest river. I mean, the India says it is one of the longest river. In the world. Okay, it is in Egypt. Egypt side. You go to Egypt. Mean definitely you see the river. I mean, which river? Nile. That is name is Nile. Nadi Nile Nadi song there mentioned. Already tell you, no? Yes, correct. Now you see third one. Third one balance also get. So there asked the question what? And welcomes little fishes in and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Okay, who welcomes the fish. Why? Which lines tells you that the crocodile is angrily. It's one question is second question. Okay, and two question also they are asking. It's again and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws, who welcomes the fish. Why? Which lines tell you that the crocodile is angry. Okay, the answer is what means. Now right here, just watch. Uh, I will make is option A, option B. Okay. See option A. Option A mean who welcomes the fish. Why? First of all, now write the option A. Okay. This is A. Just to think. Okay. A. Okay. The first one, who welcomes the fish? Why? The crocodile welcomes the fish because what? Yes, because he wants to eat them. Okay. The crocodile welcomes the fish because he wants to eat them. Clear? Okay. And now we are see the option B. It is not a single question. Now we make. I mean, they are asking to the two questions. Okay. So I will make option B. Okay. It is option A. Okay. Option A. Option B. Just you like it. Okay. Okay. The option B answer is right here. Wait. Okay. Okay. Students. And welcomes little fishes in. Okay. The answer is and welcomes little fishes in. Okay. Are clear? Just you write it. Okay. Okay, students. Next, yours C option D. Work in the pairs. Share your answers with your partner. Okay. Work in pairs. Work in pairs. Share your answers with your partner. Okay. First question also here. What is the poem about? Okay. They are mentioned it. Okay. Just like that. Now I write here. This. Okay, students, this poem is about a little crocodile. Okay, this is answer of what is the poem about. Okay, okay. Next, your see second questions. They are mentioned. Okay, how does the crocodile's tail look? Okay, tail. Okay, tail look. How does the crocodile's tail look? The answer is what? Yes, now right here. Just listen carefully. Okay. Sorry, R. Sorry. Okay, just So G also now right here. Okay. Okay. See here, how does the crocodile's tail look? And the answer is the crocodile's tail looks shining. Okay, sketch NNG, shining. Okay, right. Now you see third one. What does improve his style mean? Okay, style means what? Right here, see. Clear? Why does improve his style means? Improve his style means to become better than before. Okay, BFORE, it is BFORE, better than before. BEFORE, better than before. Okay. Okay, now you see the fourth one right here. Answer just the fourth one. Right, fourth one also no right. The answer, how does he spread his class? Okay. Okay, he spreads his class neatly. Okay. Okay, fifth one. Why does he welcomes little fishes? Why does he welcome little fishes? Okay. Okay, now right here, just see. Okay, right. He, then questions, first of all I will read. Why does he welcomes little fishes? He welcomes little fishes in order to eat them. Okay, this is answer of the fifth one. Okay, next yours is sixth one. Okay, which line talks about the crocodile's mouth and his shape? Okay, the answer is now I write the sixth one answer of here. Okay, now right here, just watch it. The answer is Just wait, I will write it here. Okay. Which lines talk talks about the crocodile's mouth and his shape? Okay, the answer is, see here, with gently smiling jaws. Okay, with gently smiling jaws. Okay, are you clear, students? Clear means not a problem. Okay, now you all see writing section. Okay, option D also here, writing. What does the poet say about the crocodile? Okay, once again. What does the poet say about the crocodile? Write in your own words, in about 50 words. Okay, okay, already I write it. Just show in my note. Just you try to anyone words. You try to write that. It's not a problem. Okay, now I show in my note. Okay. First of all, you see the questions. What does, see here, what does the poet say about the crocodile? Write in your own words, in about 50 words. Okay, now I show in my note. See here, already now I write here. Okay, already tell you know what does the poet say about the crocodile. Write in your own words in about 50 words. Already now write here. Now we make one para. Okay, the answer is, the crocodile lives in the river. The crocodile also live. River mean the crocodile also always uh, lives in water side. I mean water area. So that is from the river. Nile rivers they are mentioned already. You know. Okay, the crocodile lives in the river. I mean Nile. Already tell you know. The crocodile lives in the river Nile. That name is Nile. Okay. It has a shining tail. Okay, it has a shining tail. Already we are see the tail, you know, the crocodile side. Okay, the back side also tail. Has a shining tail. That is another shining tail. Its body is covered with golden scales. That I mean the crocodile body. That is one of the golden scale. Okay, they are mentioned. The crocodile keeps his jaws open. Jaws means already you know that. Yes, that nails. Okay, they are mentioned. Okay, a crocodile keeps his jaws open. It seems that he is grinning happily. Okay, grinning happily. The claws of the crocodile are spread neatly. The jaws with seems to, that is seem. Okay, seem, which seem to smile. Welcome little fishes, because it's need to food, you know. The fish when come their side mean definitely that's it. When the fishes come here in the hungry, crocodile eats them up. I mean the fishes also already eaten. I mean the crocodile very angrily, so hungry, very hungry, so it's, the crocodile also eating to the its food. Okay, 1 second I fully read. Okay, see here, the crocodile lives in the river Nile. Okay, it has a shining tail. Its body is covered with golden scales. The crocodile keeps his jaws open. It seems that he is grinning happily. The claws of the crocodile are spread neatly. The jaws which seems to smile welcome little fishes. When the fishes come, hear him the hungry crocodile eat them up. Okay, are you clear? Okay, students, clear means not a problem. You are prepare well in your home. Okay, today class over. I meet next class. Bye bye. Be prepared in your home. Okay. Bye bye. I meet next class.